πάω να ανακατευτώ με τους συναδέλφους μου, να δούμε αν ξεχωρίζω. Πρέπει να βάλω περικεφαλαία. Δεν νομίζω ότι κάνω τόσο μπαμ τελικά. Γίνα λίγο αυτό να βλέπω. Να είναι λίγο πιο καριατιδέ. Δεν ξέρω πώς θα κάνουν οι καριάτιδες. Πες να μην βγουν ακόμα, δεν είμαι έτοιμη.
Good afternoon, welcome. If you have a question, raise your hand, and when you have the microphone, feel free to ask your question.
Γιατί πρέπει να γίνουμε ρεζίλοι παντού ρεζίλοι παντού, γιατί... Να σηκωθώ όρθια.
Next question.
Hello. Hi.
Hi.
Lydia from Greece.
Wow, amazing. You look like you came straight from 4th century BC Greece.
Which was the goal? So
Time travel.
I'm trying not time traveling. I'm trying to make all of you travel back home at the heart of recession and maybe, you know, save it a bit there.
Right.
So first of all, seriously, on public demand, I'd like to invite you over to Greece, either for a concert with really, really cheap tickets or
Yes.
for vacation, which is not going to be cheap. But
I think we'd like to try and come and play there next year. We've talked about this. We asked about 4 years ago, why don't we ever play in Greece? And our manager, Dave, told us nobody likes you there. I'm not to be unfair to Dave.
Sorry, I know like 4 or 5 people that would love to see
Okay,
you.
great. Well,
Fantastic.
that's our ideal size venue. We have rocked out 4 or 5 people venues the world over.
Play in my living room.
Okay.
So thank you for committing. That
Well,
you'll come.
if we tour, that is, we haven't decided if we're going to go on tour, but if we do, we'd love to come.
No, you have to come.
Okay, we will come.
Don't let me go mental.
But will anybody be there?
All 4 people.
All 4 people,
I
okay.
mentioned.
Σηκώθηκα, του έλεγα τρέλες και μετά για το ξεκάρφωμα του έκανα την ερώτηση για το άλμπουμ και για να είμαι ευγενική. Ένα κοντζάμ άλμπουμ τώρα. Μπορείς να πας και να τους λες τρέλες μόνο.
You have a song, Charlie Brown, in your album, and I was wondering, it is a time of heroes and stuff, but whose hero was he? And wasn't there like a band member that went like, are you nuts? Have you lost your marbles? We're going to name a song, Charlie Brown.
Can I just stop you there for a moment?
Δεν μου απάντησε με το Charlie Brown, αλλά μια ξεκάρφωμα το ρώτησα από...
Oh, the Charlie Brown question was never answered, you're right.
We're back on.
Why the fuck did you call the song Charlie Brown?
Well, the original version of the song, you did mention Charlie Brown in it.
So it's my fault?
Yes, it's your fault.
Έλα, εντάξει. Έχουμε ζωγραφίσει σήμερα εδώ πέρα. Τους έβαλα να τσακωθούν. This is my friend Aurelio Blacareno. What's your name again?
Daniele Cassandro.
Daniele Cassandro, λέγεται Cassandro. Και ήρθε και μου έδωσε συγχαρητήρια για την παρέμβασή μου στην αρχαιοελληνική, αν θέλεις. Do you think I made it? Do you think they're gonna come?
I think possibly. Maybe when you said that 4 people would come to the concert, maybe you lost it a little bit.
I need to convince more people to come over.
Yeah.
Please look right through the lens and say in Spanish so it looks more international.
I don't speak Spanish, I'm Italian.
Ah, so sei italiano! Ah, ma come? Allora, Cassandro, will you come to Greece for vacation?
Oh yes.
Έχουμε πείσει όλο τον κόσμο να έρθει στην Ελλάδα, παιδί μου. Θα υπάρχει 100% πληρότητα. Και όλα τα επαγγέλματα, δημοσιογράφους, ταξιτζίδες, μουσικάντιδες. Πιστεύεις στην τιμητική πλακέτα από το Υπουργείο Πολιτισμού και Τουρισμού να τη βάλω στην κουζίνα ή να τη βάλω... Δεν έχω τζάκι γι' αυτό.